What if the right words came to you instantly? In every meeting, every argument, and every moment that really matters. There is a rune formula that opens this ability. Watch to the end to learn how to activate it. This rune formula consists out of 7 runes and it is a runic palindrome. So you start drawing it from the middle. The first rune is the rune Manas, is the rune of the intellect that just represents a human and mind and the human's place in the society. Also relates to intellectual abilities and your ability to communicate with other people. The next rune is the rune Lagus, and following the palindrome rule, it's drawn on both sides. The rune Lagus is the rune of flow, rune of uninterrupted flow of energy, so your speech and your ability to transmit your ideas will be having these energies of uninterrupted flow and process of communication. The next rune is the rune Sovilo, is the rune of success, a rune of attention, so you will be like a sun shining in the sky, which attracts all the possible attention towards it. And the next rune is the rune Ansus, is the rune of speech, rune of thought, rune of god Odin. This rune will help you to think and communicate clearly. Also, it relates to your actual abilities of speech and it will help you become a great speaker. So overall, this rune will greatly improve your abilities to speak and to communicate and to transmit your ideas clearly to other people so that they do understand you. An appropriate incantation for this rune formula could sound like this. By the power of these runes, my ability to speak and communicate will be greatly enhanced, so be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in the description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.